Waste generated from both industrial and domestic processes is commonly known as garbage and is undesirable due to its lack of economic value. It consists of organic and inorganic compounds and significantly contributes to greenhouse gas emissions, particularly methane, with an estimated 1 ton of solid waste, producing 50 kilograms of methane. As the population grows, waste generation is projected to reach 500 million kilograms per day by 2020, exacerbating global warming.
Global warming, characterized by a rise in Earth's average temperature, has increased by approximately 0.74 degrees Celsius over the last century, largely due to human-induced greenhouse gas emissions, including carbon dioxide and methane. This phenomenon results in impacts like the melting of polar ice sheets.
One approach to combat global warming is utilizing organic waste, such as horse manure, which can produce biogas rich in methane through anaerobic fermentation. Horse manure, with its high carbon and nitrogen content, serves as an effective substrate for methane-producing bacteria, making biogas a promising alternative energy source. Biogas is a combustible gas produced from the fermentation of organic material by anaerobic bacteria. With the main content of methane gas, biogas has enormous potential to be developed as an alternative energy source.
So, from these problems, we have the solution. We can make biogas from horse dung.
To construct the system, start by cutting a PVC pipe to a length of 26 inches and trimming the end to facilitate its insertion into the drum lid. Using a soldering iron, create a hole in the side of the drum lid that matches the diameter of the PVC pipe for the fastest inlet. Then, make additional holes on the side of the lid, one for the pressure gauge and another for the threaded fitting inlet, both matching their respective diameters. Insert and securely seal the PVC pipe, pressure gauge, and threaded fitting into the designated holes.
Next, drill a hole at the bottom of the drum for the stop valve 1 inch to serve as the feces outlet. Seal the pipe to the drum with glue and reinforce the connection using a rubber tire to prevent oxygen from entering the reactor. Assemble the stop valve pipe, ensuring all joints are tightly sealed with pipe glue to avoid leaks. Attach the gas outlet valve assembly to the threaded fitting, and finally, close the drum with the lid, securing it firmly with duct tape to ensure a proper seal.
Over the last century, greenhouse gas emissions have raised the Earth temperature by approximately 0.74 degrees Celsius. Horse manure serves as an example of such waste, producing methane. However, we can repurpose this waste into biogas, a possible promising alternative energy source. Biogas is generated from the anaerobic fermentation of organic materials, like horse manure in this case by bacteria. This approach not only helps reduce waste but also mitigates the greenhouse effect while providing an additional energy source.
Methane CH4. Methane is a chemical compound with the chemical formula CH4. It is a group 14 hydride, the simplest alkane, and the main constituent of natural gas. Nitrogen. Nitrogen is a chemical element. It has symbol N, atomic number 7. Global warming. The long-term warming of the planet's overall temperature.
Anaerobic fermentations, metabolic process done by bacteria and eukaryotes in the absence of air to convert carbohydrates into products like gases, alcohol, and acids. Carbon dioxide, a colorless and non-flammable gas at normal temperature and pressure. Biogas, a renewable fuel that's produced when organic matter such as food or animal waste is broken down by microorganisms in the absence of oxygen. Bacteria, small single-celled organism.
Organic compounds any of a large class of chemical compounds in which one or more atoms of carbon are covalently linked to atoms of other elements. In organic compounds, a substance that does not contain both carbon and hydrogen, waste, unwanted or unusable materials. Greenhouse, a building with glass walls and a glass roof.